he's just a good old boy who loves burning rubber and driving fast.
Well, I don't know if y'all can see that, recognize that. Weed and Drummonds. Making our way in the shop. We're at RWR today. Gonna go in and see what we can get into. There's Maggie. There's a present we got when we did the burnout. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Just gonna walk in like we own the place. I know I've brought y'all here before. Race cars are gone. That's a show car. That's new. All right. The sheriff is here waiting on me.
I heard you.
What are we doing?
We're signing parts and pieces for Parts Plus.
There you go. I got to go to work, in other words. So I was just saying, car's already gone. Ain't nobody here working, but there is. Look, Double Duty is over here doing double duty. 1, 2.
Double the engines.
Double the engines.
All right.
I see some carnage stuff over here. Everybody's always asking. I'm assuming that's the big one,
from,
the big one.
Saturday, yep. Q3.
I don't think there's much left of that one we're going to use.
Pretty bad.
Oh
Cam
yeah.
stuck in there.
Oh yeah, pistons stuck.
Oh yeah.
Somebody made a mess out of that.
Yeah, I don't know who it was, but somebody did.
Oh, that's ugly. Hey, it's got nitro in the tank. It's gonna break.
Oh, at some point.
At some point. So Austin's got parts laid out everywhere. Crankshaft's going. Look like it's just another day at the office, right?
Oh, it is. Yep.
Stacy's got me in here a day early. I got to go to work. She's already over there. I don't know what I got to do, but I'm here.
Probably sign some stuff.
Probably. Double duty, always on duty. Well, it is setup day, qualifying day. It is Friday, and we have a new look on the car that I think is just awesome. My very first truck, 63 Dodge, was painted this color. The truck was already that color, but I painted the top. And I'm like holding y'all up, making y'all wonder what it looks like. I'm babbling, Jesse. I'm rambling.
You are.
I am. Y'all want to see it? All right, I'll show you. Check this out. This thing looks freaking good. Champion Irrigation, which we've been working with for several years now, went with the black and gold. It looks good. I like that shiny gold. Parts Plus pops on that black. Looking good. I like it. I like this black and gold, Austin.
Oh, it looks good.
It does.
It looks real
good. It looks good. Definitely a huge fan of black cars. My Dooley's black. Bentley's black. I like them. Looks good. Obviously, we know they're hard to keep clean, but boy, that looks really, really good. Oh, look, they even did the numbers in the reflective gold. I like it. Looking good. Q1 coming up in a few hours. Let's go. Well, I am a car guy, and right outside of our pit area is this RTR green. It is freaking nice. Back to being the car guy that I am. I gotta find out who's wheeling this thing, which means I'm rolling in here into the Jim Dunn camp, because I had a little birdie tell me they know who's driving that thing. And it's him.
Hey,
what are you driving out there, dude? I'm jealous.
Oh, the RTR car?
Yeah. Yeah. What car? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I flew in over here right across from the racetrack, and I didn't have a rental car book, so I hit up the guys over at RTR and Fun Haver and said, hey, do y'all have like a shop truck or something I could borrow? And they sent me a picture of this and said, does this work? And And I said, I think that'll work perfect. So 810 horsepower. I don't know if you can handle it. And I said,
Oh,
well,
I know I can't.
I'll probably only use about 200 of it.
Exactly.
I don't want no trouble.
Exactly. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Lon's a pretty good dude, and those cars look pretty fun.
They have a heck of a business over there. 50,000 square foot facility, people everywhere, cars, strip cars everywhere, prototype stuff for Ford. I mean, he's built an empire for sure.
So the real question is, though, did they check tread thickness before you left?
I don't know. They picked me up in F-250 and said, oh, we had to do a couple of things to the car before you took it. And so it may have been some stuff like that.
That's pretty cool, bro.
Good stuff for sure.
Yeah, I'm jealous. Just saying. That's cool. Q1 coming up. Pile in here. Yo. We're back. Yep, means I gotta act right. So I'll be very calm all weekend.
Got it.
Q1 coming up, third quad out, third lane. Let's go. All right, Q1, 4 wide.
Let's do it, brother.
Let's do it, buddy.
67 points.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on.
Let's do it. We'll take that right down the racetrack, y'all. Good job. I don't know what we run, doesn't matter. We went right down the racetrack clean. I like it. It's hot. It's freaking hot, y'all. Proud of y'all. Let's go.
What'd you run?
It's hot.
What'd you run?
I don't know.
We're at 380 with the tube.
You went 80, I went 79.6.
We'll take that, I guess.
3, 2, 1.
Everybody's just going to be quiet or what? Look. We got cars. Everybody's trying to go. It's like a traffic jam.
A little closer.
It's like a roundabout, which I don't understand. It is like a roundabout, though. Yes.
Got it.
Y'all don't care about none of that.
Joey's the 4-wide.
Good old 4-wide. All right. I might as well show y'all because it's so confusing. We are the 51. Y'all knew that. 380, 332, Steve Torrance, 79.6. Brittany, 79.2. Sean Reed, 81. And good way to start.
Yeah, right out of the
Yeah,
box.
yeah.
Going down the track.
Yep.
Hot track.
Hot track, not number one qualifier. I don't know. I think there's one more quad left. Don't know where we're at. Don't know anything other than clean right down the racetrack. That's what we was looking for. But it is hot. Little banana action. Rolling up Q2. Last quad, lane 2, currently setting number 4. Sun's trying to go down. Still hot, nothing like it was. It was brutal earlier. But here we go.
Come on, bro, let's get it. Those points. Cake points.
Yes, sir. Cake points. Take it. I think I heard him say we went 74. I think. Did you say it went 74? All right, 73 with a 0. Speed felt good too. I love you guys. 73?
73 flat,
Okay.
235.
All right.
837, 60 foot time. That was good.
Getting with the program, wasn't it, buddy? Dang it, y'all missed it. Steve Torrance just headbutted me. We know he's got, anger management problems. I'm just kidding. He did headbutt me, but it was because we were leaning in trying to talk. And you know what? Hard head, doesn't matter. But I am leaking a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
That might be the thumbnail. Torrance headbutts Millican. Might get some clickbait action out of that, but that's what happened. He headbutted me. He had his helmet on. I did not, obviously. What'd we do? 73?
73 with 0. 335.
335. Okay. All right.
Car was moving.
We'll take that.
With an assault at the top end.
Dadgum Doug Clutter 040, y'all. 370, 332. Number 51, 373, 335. I think that's Brittany. 69.8, 338. Steve Torrance, 72, 331. Y'all like how I knew all that?
Absolutely.
I surprised myself. I did not. I don't know everybody's car number, but I kind of knew who was in our quad. And all in all, good day. Nice, clean, 2 right down the racetrack kind of runs. It's all good, other than I'm bleeding. Other than that, it's good. Made my way back to the hotel. It's really loud. It's like worse than the racetrack. Anyway, heck of a good day, y'all. 2 nice, solid runs right down the racetrack. 380 had us number 4, 373 0 got us number 6. Top half of the field, we're pretty solid. That was a good day. No damage, no nothing. That's a loud Harley. Anyway, back at the hotel, obviously, we will get ready for tomorrow, Q3 and 4, and have another good day. I appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, sharing. You are awesome. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm walking over here. I have an identical rental that I had last week. That means no 0 to 60 because we know what the Durango with the V6 did last week, so no need in doing it this week. As I was saying, appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, sharing. Don't forget, playmillican.com for your merch. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Qualifying. Let's go.